For the avid adventure enthusiast, protecting your seats from the element is a concern. That's why the Neo by FIA is the ultimate in protection. These seat covers are engineered to meet and exceed automotive manufacturer standards. FIA's Neo seat covers uses a waterproof neoprene laminated with a water-resistant poly outer shell to create exceptional protection. These covers are also padded for extra comfort where you need it most, and after a long day on the trail, that's a nice addition. You can't beat all this comfort and protection, plus they look great too. Installation is simple and no tools are needed. The multi-directional stretch polyester trim molds the seat cover to the contours of the seat. FIA's Super Grip system uses Velcro fasteners and a belt and buckle tightening system to grip the cover to the seat for a perfect OEM fit in minutes. If you're interested in purchasing the Neo seat covers from FIA or need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. And don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.